Hi guys, good morning. I am up early this morning doing a simple dish here real quick, so I'm going to share that with you guys later. However, I am busy trying to get ready to get my workout in. However, I'm super happy because I only have a few things left that I have to do this weekend, and hopefully I can get that done after today. But yes, I do have a workout that I'm doing today. I want to push at least for 25 minutes, hardcore workout. Get myself together here. Alright guys, so I want to show you the flip side of what I'm cooking real quick, okay? Because I have to hurry up. The kids are going to go back online after lunch. So I have to make sure that, you know, they're back up in school. Sometimes mommy has to check on them to make sure they're doing everything they're supposed to be doing before I get my workout in. So, story of my day. So, flip side. And I also am going to show you really quickly my curtains that I got for my shower curtains. I'm just switching up my bathroom just a little bit, just changing my curtains and stuff. I have these. They're so pretty. My daughter picked these out. They're a certain flower, and I love them. They're beautiful. My daughter named the flower, actually. She's really super smart, and I can't think of the name right now. So yeah, that's them right there. Okay, and then I got some butterflies because this girl loves her butterflies. So I'm trying to get everything nice and ready for the cooler, nicer days that are going to be coming soon. I have this one up now. However, I'm changing it to this one, and I'm changing the rug and other things that I'm doing as well. So let's work on the flip side to what I'm cooking today. Okay, so here's my station. Here's everything I'm going to be cooking today, and I'm going to give you a little breakdown of that in a little bit before I start my workout. I have my rice, and I also have my lovely boarding here today this morning. So I have some of my 4-leaf clover things that I'm putting up as well, and what I'm doing today. So yay, it's finally March. Okay, and what I plan on doing, I'm doing a fried boneless picnic pork along with a chickpea garlic plantain soup with white rice. So that is what this gal's cooking today. So as the days get nicer, I will be cooking lighter. And, you know, I usually do some nice hearty meals in the wintertime. So I've been very busy at home, as you guys know, doing a lot of things. So therefore, I am trying to get everything done so this way I have more time, you know, to cook up some different stuff. All right, so let me show you the pork, the picnic pork. I've done these many times. Now wait. Let me get some cold water on here. Okay, so the simple thing that I'm doing for the picnic pork, I'm just adding simple ingredients, something real fast. It's just going to be a little touch of ginger and some adobo. That's pretty much it. I have my Hayes avocados back there. And as you know, I use my apple cider with the mother to clean my meat. So I'm going to let that sit for about 25 minutes. That is exactly how long I'm going to be working out. So get that little touch in there. Get them babies clean and nice so they can stay fresh until I'm ready to fry. All right, guys, so I am done upstairs. I am done. I just have to hang a few more pictures and move a couple things around that I'm not sure where I'm gonna angle everything in my room. So, however, I did want to show you quickly. I am getting ready to decorate my window and put some stuff up on my refrigerator as well. A couple 4-leaf clovers. I have to run out and get some tape later. And this is the same stuff that I used last year on my window. I'm just going to switch it up and do different ways of putting everything up. And those of you that are faithful watchers to my YouTube channel, you'll know that I made these soda pop bottles, and I put lights in them for my window. So I still have those 3, and I'm using them this year as well. I made these, me and my daughter. And so I will be putting these up on my window because I like that beautiful light that it brings to the window when you put some cool stuff up for the holidays, or for St. Patrick's Day, I should say. All right, so that's pretty much it. This gal's getting ready to work it out. So remember to always put yourself first. Every day's a new day, and today's my day. So catch you soon with the deliciousness, and please do not miss it. But I'm super happy because I'm getting things done finally, and I only have a few things left to do. And I did want to also let you guys know I will be doing a one-on-one on Sunday. It's going to be fish. I haven't cooked fish in a little while, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing. However, it's going to be my very own dish, as you know. So just putting that out there. So fish Sunday. So I won't be doing a one-on-one until Sunday because I'm still busy, but I haven't gotten a lot done. So ups to that. All right, so catch you in a little bit after my workout. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start this beautiful, delicious chickpea garlic plantain soup. It goes so good with white rice. So of course you wanna add in your oil. Make sure everything is, your oil is nice and spread out before you start throwing things in. Okay, so I want to do the little breakdown with you guys very quickly. Okay, let me turn this down a little bit. Okay, so for the beautiful, nice picnic pork cubes, I'm doing a simple sesame ginger and all-purpose adobo. Very simple, very, very, very simple. There you have it. Only 2 ingredients that I'm using into this lovely picnic pork. That's all you need. A 1/3, and this is for six people. A 1/3 of all-purpose simple adobo, and 2 tablespoons of sesame ginger. That's all you need for this. All right. So for the chickpea garlic plantain soup, okay, you want to get 2 big red potatoes, or any potato you choose, perfectly fine. 2 big fresh plantains, and you want 2 ripe small pieces of plantains, meaning when they're like a little sweeter, like this. Okay, a little sweeter compared to the regular. And as you see, I dice it up, and you could dice it up all funky pieces, doesn't matter how you do it. Okay, because remember, this is a soup. You want the 3 cloves garlics as well. A can of Goya chickpeas, of course, make sure they're Goya. And 2 pinches of red pepper. And you want to do pinches of cinnamon. And this is the little kicker to this dish as well. So make sure you do those 2 pinches, pretty big pinches, something like the red pinches. All right, and you just, when I say pinches, just with your fingers, So that's pretty much it. Let's see. And don't forget your garlic cloves. Now I do dice these up. Okay, don't put them in as whole because I want them to mix into the soup. And 3 packets of sazon, which I got there. And you want to add 2 big cups of water. And that's all you have to do for this dish. All right, so I'm gonna start out by adding in my 2 cups of water first. So that's 1. And there's 2. Now you're going to have to add like 2 more cups of water after it starts getting a little thicker, and you want to go ahead towards the middle of this, towards more like the end. You want to add like middle end to it. I will do a video of that so you can see that as well, where you're going to add in 2 more cups when this is done. Okay, so of course you're going to add in, and this has a little bit of water, so that's okay. You're going to add in your plantains and all that good stuff. You're going to add in your 3 packets of sazon. And this gives it great flavor and great color. That's why I love using this. However, you can use other, you can use like the adobo seasoning too. But I use this because I like the color it brings to the soup, and I also like the flavor. Add in your 2 pinches of red pepper and your 2 pinches of that cinnamon. And you want to do bigger pinches for the cinnamon, because that's the little kicker to this deliciousness as well. All right, and so like I said, I do dice these up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that very quickly. You know, you want to do like nice little dices. Don't have to be super tiny, just as long as they're chopped up. You don't want to throw them in as whole because you do want to mix that into the soup. So I do all funky pieces when I do this dish for the garlic and the potatoes and the plantains. I cut them all funky ways. Because again, it's a soup, right? Okay. Don't forget that delicious, beautiful, lovely can of chickpeas de Goya. And I put them in as is. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else. It's a simple soup you can put on top of your delicious white rice. So I'm going to turn this up a little bit, give it a nice little shake, and let the magic work itself. So good. Something simple in your kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and top that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start my rice. And however, I'm gonna jump over here so you can quickly see how I do the marinating to this. Very simple. And you're just gonna do 2 tablespoons of the sesame ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and just top my fingers. This is a little thing I do in the kitchen. So you're gonna do like two big tablespoons, okay? And then you're gonna do adobo. You're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that, and that's it. Not too much, just perfect. Now let me go ahead and grab napkin real quick, just to get that little, just put a little bit, just a little, okay. And then we're gonna go back over here so I can grab a nice something to shake this up real quick. Yeah, and that ginger, let me tell you, that ginger is awesome with these pork, picnic pork when you fry them. So good. So make sure you get a bigger spoon, not a tablespoon, I should say, a little bigger spoon to add in that delicious sesame ginger into this nice delicious pork. So my daughter likes when I fry these up She doesn't like when I bake them. I like to bake them. It's a little healthier. But she wants them fried, so I said, okay, that's fine. I'll fry them up. But usually you can bake them so good. You can put them on a tray and bake them nicely as well. You can add a little bit of that just to give it a nice little flavor. A little touch, excuse me, a little touch. Parsley doesn't have flavor. A little touch to the beautifulness of the dish. Make it look pretty. And fry them. And then add a little bit more like herbs. I like to always add a little green into something. Whether it's chives. Parsley flakes are cheaper, so I always have that handy in my kitchen. Okay, so I just push this over. A little bit of my ginger. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and rock out. And lovely white rice, lovely plain, simple, just regular rice. I'm doing just a regular rice, not a soft rice. And if those of you that watch my videos, you'll see that I do soft rices when I'm doing foil with butter. I do my rice a couple different ways, my white rice, but I'm just doing a regular, simple rice that